sensational tweet by BJP leader Bajayant Panda on Twitter, where he hints at Bollywood and terror link. He said, and I quote, came across shocking threads documenting personal and business links of some Bollywood personalities with certain Pakistanis and NRIs with undeniable track record encouraging violence in J&K, who have verifiable links with ISI and the Pak army. The BJP leader then went on to urge Bollywood personalities to renounce them. Managing editor Mira now joining me on the phone line. Vinay Tiwari on the phone line with us. Vinay, at this point, Bollywood is... okay, I'm told Vinay will just join us in a bit. Now, this is the information that we have. It's a sensational claim being made by a senior BJP leader, sensational claim made on Twitter, where the leader says that certain Bollywood personalities have undeniable links with Pakistani NRIs who are in fact have shown links with ISI and Pak army. So that's the information being put out, and what the leader says is that he has come across certain threads documenting personal and business links of some Bollywood personalities. At this stage, I think there are no names taken. This is just a claim that the BJP leader has made on Twitter. Vinay Tiwari, managing editor of Mirror, now joining me on the phone line. Vinay, already Bollywood is embroiled in quite a few big controversies, starting with the nepotism racket and then, of course, the fake followers racket, which we're reporting today. But this is pretty much more serious than that, isn't it? What do you make of the tweet put out by Jayant Panda?
Yes, if there was one stream of Indian, theatrical, if I can say this, which had not waded into the Bollywood controversies, that was politicians, and now that has happened as well. And Jay Panda is a senior politician of the BJP, and he's a responsible politician, and for him to now officially say that there are some Bollywood stars who may be associated with organizations that have connections with the ISI or even the separatist elements of Kashmir, it's a serious allegation. And remember, this is possibly the worst time that Bollywood is passing through. I mean, you mentioned about the fake followers investigations the Mumbai police is doing. Ever since the Sushant Singh Rajput suicide, Bollywood has been split down the middle. And there are one side of the Bollywood community battling with another side of the Bollywood community. And that battle has continued as late as yesterday evening. Some of the top known names of the industry have been battling it out on social media, fighting with each other, talking about all kinds of things. But this allegation goes much beyond the carping that is happening between the directors and the producers and the actors. I mean, this is a question of national security. And if a senior BJP party leader has information or does think that there is something more to what he's figured out, then it's a matter that should be investigated, because irrespective of a person's profile or fame, an allegation as serious as this deserves a proper investigation to establish what the truth is. Sridhar.
Absolutely. Of course, like you said, this concerns national security and must be treated with utmost seriousness. Thanks for joining us, Vinay.